Good afternoon. This is Justin Sorensen with the Justin Sorensen Allstate Agency. I want to talk for a brief moment about deductibles on your homeowner's insurance. So a deductible is typically the portion of a claim that you'll be responsible for covering before the insurance company covers your financial loss. So for example, let's say your roof gets ripped off in a windstorm. If it's going to take $10,000 to replace that roof and you've got full replacement cost coverage on that roof, then you're responsible for the first $1,000. The insurance company pays the next $9,000 to take care of that. So real simply, that's what a deductible is. On homeowners insurance, your deductible is going to apply to some coverages and not others. For example, the coverage to your house, any damage to the house itself will have a deductible, but coverage if you are liable for something on the property does not have a deductible. So that's a separate discussion about liability. But basically, for some things you'll have deductibles, for others you won't. But the deductible is the portion that you are responsible for paying for. Deductibles are an interesting thing because the higher your deductible, the lower your premium is. So intuitively, that makes sense, right? The more that you're willing to pay out of your pocket, the less the insurance company is going to charge you for that insurance coverage. So lots of times a minimum deductible that's very common in the industry today is $1,000 deductible. So again, you're responsible for the first $1,000. The insurance company covers everything above and beyond that. We're starting to see a little bit more of people being willing to take on $1,500 deductibles, $2,500 deductibles, even up to $5,000. Deductibles can go higher than that. But kind of the high end that we see on a typical basis is $5,000. Doesn't happen a lot, but we do see some of those come through. Again, $2,500, $1,500, $1,000, all those are becoming more and more common deductibles that we see. Something that some companies do, and we have the option as well, is they offer percentage deductibles. So you could look on your declaration page and see you have a 1% or 1.5% or 2% deductible. Well, what that means is that it's a percentage of your total dwelling amount is your deductible. So for example, if your home is covered for up to $200,000 and you carry a 2% deductible, then in that case, your deductible would be $4,000. 2% of $200,000 is $4,000. So you have a $4,000 deductible. And you really need to pay attention to that because sometimes people don't know exactly what the deductible is until a claim comes. And if you find out that you've got a percentage deductible that's higher than you anticipate, maybe you see it's only 2% and you think that sounds real great, but then when you do the math, you find out, wow, I'm on the hook for $4,000 before the insurance company kicks in. So pay special attention to that. Pull out your declaration page, take a look, see what your deductible is. Make sure you're comfortable with that in the event of a claim, you would be able to have access to that amount of cash to be able to cover your portion of the loss. And that's what your homeowner's deductible is. So again, lower deductible, higher premium, higher deductible, lower the premium. You just need to find what that happy balance is that you're willing to be able to take that risk on for yourself and help manage your homeowner's premiums. Feel free to reach out to us anytime you have a question about your own deductible. We can take a look. We see all kinds of different declaration pages. So if you're struggling to understand exactly what you got, we can help you with that. Give us a call. Stop by anytime. We will talk to you later. Thanks.